Greetings, class. This is Julia Johnson, a sophomore social work major, and today I will be presenting to you my SPSS research poster using GSS. I am in Mrs. MacArthur's Social Work 300 class on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 8 to 9:30. So basically, the GSS stands for the General Social Survey, and it is a survey done by the National Opinion Research Center. The data used was put out by the University of Berkeley, and it is extremely similar to SPSS. My three variables are capital punishment, political views, and degree. The figures shown on this poster are separated by those who favor and oppose capital punishment and the amount of liberalism and conservatism of the respondent. So for figure 1, enlarge figure 1, you can see it shows the respondents who have graduate degrees and those of them who favor and oppose the death penalty. And as you can tell, there is a substantial increase when you compare the liberals to the conservatives. For figure 2, it is the statistics of figure 1, and the coloring indicates the smaller than expected and the larger than expected statistics. So over here you can see that there's blue and red, and the blue stands for the smaller than expected and red stands for larger than expected. And for figure 3, it is a chart of the respondents with less than a high school degree. And the percentages, which is right here, the percentages are pretty much around the same area for the extremely liberals and the extremely conservative. Only a little bit higher for extremely conservative, but for the most part, it's pretty much the same. Okay, and I'm going to zoom out. There we go. Okay, and so for my methods, the methods are display some of the variables shown in the GSS codebook, and there's over 100 variables, but for my methods I just have a couple that were displayed in the codebook. So my conclusion, in conclusion, the conclusion that I've come to is that the more education you obtain, the more likely you are to favor the death penalty. Proving my multivariate hypothesis that that education level does impact one's political views, and furthermore impacting whether or not the person agrees or disagrees with capital punishment. Thank you so much for your time. I hope this helped you out a little bit, and have a great day.